In this video, I'll show you how to quickly update your product catalog inside the RevenueHunt app to make sure your quiz always reflects the latest products, collections, and variants from your store. To start, open your app settings and look for the Catalog tab. Inside, you'll find a section called Import Tags, Vendors, Variants, and Meta Fields, where you can see when your store data was last imported. By default, the app automatically syncs your store's catalog every 24 hours, or whenever it detects changes in your Shopify store. However, if you want to make sure your quiz is using the most up-to-date catalog immediately, for example, after adding new products, you can trigger a manual sync. Simply click the Import Now button. The app will start fetching your latest product data from Shopify. Once the import finishes, you'll see the imported timestamps update to reflect the latest sync. If the update doesn't appear right away, just wait a few moments or click the button again to refresh the data. And that's it. Your catalog inside RevenueHunt is now fully updated, ensuring that your quiz recommendations always match the most recent product information in your store. To learn more, visit our help center at docs.revenuehunt.com.